Now there's these decades old systems that are very difficult to maintain, very costly to maintain. Many of the people who originated them are have retired or moved on to other things, other projects, and what is to be done there? There have been various studies that show that the bulk of spending these days on IT does not go into like new systems. It goes into just maintaining the old, hard to maintain systems.
I think the dilemma is that do you chase after fixing the old thing, or do you bear the costs of ripping it out and trying to replace it anew? There's no easy answers there. So think about reframing that question. You're not talking about legacy IT. Let's say you're talking about your sore knee, or some aspect of your diet, or some aspect of your kitchen sink. We know better than to just run it into the ground, and we know that we should keep up with it incrementally before the problems get too big, before you have to get your knee replaced. You should exercise and do your physical therapy, as the case may be. And so, I'm not trying to duck the question about legacy IT because it's such a hard question, but I think I'm trying to bring out one of the things that that we hope readers will take away from the book is that we're not proposing some new theory. We're asking people to pay attention to what they already know from their personal lives and from the data that's around them and the experience of other people, and be thoughtful about applying that, both individually as well as in the collectives they inhabit, in organizations and as citizens or residents in their community.